So this is my plantain peel and I'm drying them. So guys, this is the plantain after drying for about 3 days. So I'm going to put fire on this dry plantain to get my plantain peel ash. So this is the ash from the plantain. We're going to make use of this ash. So guys, let's not waste my time. Let's go straight into the video. I'm going to pour a bottle of distilled water in the pan, but you can also use rainwater as well. So I'm going to wait for the water to warm up. The next thing we need to do is add the ash to the warm water. Then be stirring. So guys, do not use aluminum pan when you are preparing the LYE. I'm going to turn this off. Allow it to cool and then strain it to remove all particles. So our LYE is ready to be used. Go ahead and then make a soup out of it. Thank you so much for watching my video.